What's up, guys? Chris Mix here.
Hello, mi gente. It's your boy, Young Ideas, back at it again with another video. You guys already know. In today's video, my boy is hosting a meet, so we're gonna go support. Let's get it. Just got here, gang. Let's go see some cars and the host. Alright, we got the host right here. Let's do it.
Let's go over here. No.
One more.
Camera. One more. We made the rain. We made it rain.
We're here again. I think this is a spot. Got Eric. But all this right here, the little arcade.
Bus! Turn around.
Yes! You want to park more over here? Hey, Raja, move your car up. Jacob, wait, no, move it.
Best sticker. Look at the best sticker in the
Pikachu!
I choose you. Pikachu? You
What? Hey, what? Yo!
Pikachu! Hey. You're adopted!
He's moving the car now?
Nope, we're chilling right here.
Oh, okay.
Watch my back.
Can I see your license plate, sir?
You can go suck on my. Thank you.
You sure? For the license
Oh,
plate?
yeah, you're right.
Sheesh. Alright, SpongeBob, go for it.
Keep going.
You're not guiding him well, bro.
Go back.
There you go.
Keep
There you
going
go.
back like you want to touch someone's ass. Back.
Oh,
Back her up, Jimbo.
Something happened here, I think.
Your bumper, as usual.
Hey, I know you ain't talking. You ain't got your bumper on half the time.
Well, yeah, because you know static life.
I also static life.
Well, yeah, but you're worse.
Hey, no, we're good.
No, you're worse. Your mom was worse.
You know what? You're
Your dad was worse.
German engineering.
That's why he left.
Let's go, princess. Hey, he said, F me, bro.
Hey, porch monkey. Where are you going?
They said he needs a battery or something. How about that? I'll use mine. I'll use my battery.
Puro PR, bro. My man really came in short in this cold ass thing, bro.
Oh, shut up, bro.
Hey!
Pop the hood.
My boy said 10 points for everybody. Off the
Where's your shit,
Off the
bro?
hood, what's up? What's under the hood?
Stock. You know those
This guy, bro. Let me see what's under the hood.
Bro!
Where's your fucking... Where's your battery?
God damn it! Stop looking at my engine, bitch.
I was like, where's your battery?
Do it!
Hey, do the intro again. Do the intro.
What's good? What's up, guys? Chris Mix here.
I know.
Yeah.
Jose's. Pedro, your screw's f***ing gone, Pedro.
Who took it out?
Your screw's f***ing gone, Pedro.
Oh,
So f***ing quit making your throttle body screw came out.
Hey, I'm not leaving it like right here then.
You owe me a screw, buddy. Nah, throw it a little forward. I don't want to leave it too retarded.
No, because it's like it's at like 950
Bro.
right now.
Bro, your screw pushing came out. Hey, you don't retarded like that, bro. Do it.
No, you do it.
I'm not doing it.
Do it.
You excited?
Yo!
What the hell?
This shit.
Oh, damn!
I did.
Wait, what?
Roll this to the front.
Oh, what?
Hey, where's Elmer? You.
Get on.
You called me fat, bro? Hey, no, I'm fat. It's awkward, you know? Alright,
Worst comes to
Hey,
worst.
if I break it, it's cool.
It goes back on.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it's on there.
All right, next. Oh,
Alright, my turn. Fuck all that shit.
What the J Balvin's?
Hey, they gotta do a breaker, bro.
That's what happened last time. I didn't do as good of a welding job.
Are we good now? Can my car not be drained by battery? Let's go see the other cars.
I already saw them, man.
The other one's over there. All the way.
Yeah, all down there.
Here. There's the gold one, bro. That's just. Yeah, no, we know.
No, the gold one's good.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Not bad, bro.
Wait,
That's what happens when I come
clickbait.
there, huh?
Hold it. No, back. Go back. Go right here. I'm already trying to be in it.
Clay, get in. Who's in the clickbait? Hey, y'all get in the clickbait. Alright, go.
Okay, go.
Do something.
So just an update for y'all. This dude came late. So now we gotta go see the cars again. Man's choking.
Not choking, but you know.
I guess.
You're still pretty sick, bro.
Man's in love with this car.
Hey, let's go this way.
Oh shit, Eric's with us. That's the host. The host. Man, look at this. Alright, wait, he wants to see this one. The host wants to see this one. Look at this one.
Do it.
I was fired.
Do the roar. Do the roar. So we go with Eric or what?
Alright, let's go. Wait, which one did you want to see?
That's it right there.
Wait, just follow the host. Follow the host. Which one? Hey, that last one though? That last one's fire, bro. You sleeping on that one?
Hey, why you hating on my car?
Yo! Holy shit.
Look at how low it is, bro.
Let me
It's
see.
a whole entire 3
God
fingers,
damn, bro. You lowered this too much.
Look at the tire fitment.
God,
So
oh
sick.
shit. You got the 1D? Wait, what's this? Ford?
That's a. Carbon fiber, bro.
This one's fire. I like this one, the color.
This is a racetrack, right?
Racetrack.
Like for race, because you know
No.
the steering wheel.
Just because it has no steering wheel like that.
Sometimes that's
People
what
do that
they
shit.
do that, you know.
Ooh, look at the interior. Interior's nice.
Yeah, though, bro. Everybody's sleeping on it. Look how sick it looks.
That one's stocked.
Oh, he has a stock wheel.
Stock wheels? Oh, he does. The rims.
Oh shit.
I still like it.
Hey, it's still nice. It's a still nice car.
Really, ZX is so clean. That's OEM paint.
I mean,
OEM paint factory.
yeah, it looks like. What the?
That's
That's the
nice.
original paint too.
Yep.
Oh, wait, is it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
factory.
that's the original.
I think it's from Canada.
Canada. Yo, Eric, book ain't it? New bumper.
That still make a lot of.
Falls off. What?
Bumper delete.
Bumper delete, bro.
But when my
Quick
tire,
delete.
I mean the real, when my tire popped on the side of the freeway, and I made like over 500K views.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta do it!
Well, it just got hot. Mi gente, that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys do enjoy these car meet videos. I have a lot in mind of car meets. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. If not, it is okay. Just let me know. Comment down below. Don't be afraid. I'll respond back. Probably. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Big hugs. Virtual hugs. If you guys want more videos of like me hanging out or like a football part 2 with the boys, I can try to reunite them again and see if we can do that video again and see what other challenges we have. Like go wash my car and stuff like that. Just comment down below what you guys want and I'll do my best to give it to you guys. Just know that I appreciate every single one of you that are subscribed, and if you're not subscribed yet, just subscribe. It's like right there. Just press the button and that's all you need to do. Thank you once again, guys. Young Dia signing out. Hay que disfrutar cuando se puede, papi, porque la vida vuela, papi, y tú no puedes hacer nada ahí. Ya está la muerte, cabrón.